Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Well, I popped 2 frets in just to see how it would go. So I figured, well, let's continue on and we'll keep her going. So what I'm doing is I'm going to do a little bit of extra stick out here at the ends because you're supposed to anyway. I don't want to put too much because I still got to pop it off with the Dremel after. But once you get your frets sitted in there pretty even, just do simple as this. So the idea I came up with was actually a bunch of zip ties. I could actually use just long zip ties. I think I'll have to buy some. Less hassle. But that holds the neck in place anyway. So, just checking it out a bit. Now, I'm not whacking this very hard, but because you don't want to do that, because you don't want to damage your fret. And of course, using Dremel, a lot cleaner than trying to use nippers. In case you didn't catch the last couple videos, the radius on this fretboard is actually 12. Now this is an affinity strat, but that actually doesn't mean anything because there were some changes between the older and newer affinity strats. Same as the tellies as far as fretboard radius goes. So you want to definitely check. So make sure you've got yourself these radius gauges. And I got these things from like wish.com. You can get them from Banggood too. And really super cheap. Lots of places sell them. Now what I'm using is a fiber cutoff disc on my Dremel. Works great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these frets that I got are from Syntoms. They sent them to me to check out. You get a pack of 6. And there's enough here to do an entire guitar. And so far we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frets. And I've only gone through 1 bar. So, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 frets. So it's going to take, there's 10, 15, 20. So it's going to take 4 bars plus a little bit off of a 5th, which is pretty good. And that leaves you some spare, just in case, you know, fudge room, you know, in case you screw up. At least you got a little bit of fudge room. So that's awesome. So now we're back to a full length fret again. I just line them up, square it up as best I can. good. And the plastic hammer won't damage your frets, unless you go crazy on it, but you know, you shouldn't. Stuff. Good. That's good. Perfect. Well, it just makes it. Stuff. Perfect. Alright, now we gotta get to the next fret over. Should be able to get that in there without a problem. What? I'm thinking. Let me just try and get that to skip over a little. There we go. Now I got clearance. So I figured we'd do this in one run and just do all the fretting, so you can see how every single one of them is done. And then we'll get to the getting rid of the edges after. Pretty quick to do. slow part is going to be doing the filing after. So far, every one of them's going in nice. Good. Once I am done installing all these, off camera I'm going to go through and I'm going to re-nip all these as close as I can, and then we can start doing the filing process. Once you get going on this and you got a good beat on it, it's just all rhythm, man. Just keep going. Good. So it looks like early on estimations were a little out as far as how many fret wires I go through. So we need to dig out one more. And we're going to have to bend this. stuff. Last fret going in. So altogether, we went through, I would say 4 1/4 frets. Yeah, 4 1/4 frets. Not bad. I still got some little end pieces for other stuff down the road. There's a little one there. Those all together. That's it. Totally refretted. So all we got to do is trim all the little excess off as close as we can get it to the fretboard. And get rid of the razor blades. Put our 35-degree angle on. And then continue on from there. So what I will do right now though, I'm gonna have to probably reconnect this later on, but right now I need to be able to get around to the other frets to take stuff off, but voila, that works. Awesome. So I'll go carve all those and we'll continue on to the next video to do the next step. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.